In this video, we are going to see that if your Brave browser is not working, not loading, or even if it is loading, but it is slow or shows some kind of error, basically if it is totally unresponsive or if it is causing some problem to load, here are some of the quick solutions for you, and one of them might definitely work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, the browser is only a few MB, so the quick solution might be just uninstall it from the control panel and just try to reinstall it again. And what you can do to uninstall this is just open the start menu right here, control panel, hit enter, click on uninstall a program, and here just locate Brave browser. Here it is. You can click on uninstall, click yes. Also delete the browsing history if you want to, click on uninstall. And after that, just restart your computer. And once your system is restarted, open up any web browser to just download and install the Brave profile. I don't actually recommend you to install from the setup what you already have before in your downloads. So just right here, Brave browser, click on it. Make sure it is the official website. Click on Get Brave. It will download in around 60 seconds or so. After that, you will find it here. Click on the setup, click run, click yes. If your internet connection is stable, it will just install it within a minute or so. So as you can see, it has installed it and opened it automatically for you. So most of the time, the problem with the browsers is just resolved by uninstalling and reinstalling it. So just try this by yourself and try to open and access that again. Comment down below if that works for you, and I will see you in the next one.